The following message has been translated. Request of civil authorities. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a strange creature is on the loose, and it was last seen at Floridian Hotel. All residents in a 5-mile area should lock your doors immediately. If you see this creature, run away from it. The following message has been translated. Request from Ukrainian government. At 1 o'clock, Western Standard Time, a door's entity is now identified as Screech. Screech is a monster that can whisper to your ear. If you hear this sound, look at it immediately. If it's a failure, he will bite your head. All residents in a 50-mile need to seek shelter immediately. Following this martial law will be active for a couple of hours. If you don't follow the martial law, you will get shot instantly. Stay safe, Ukrainians.
The following message has been translated. Request of Japanese government. At 1:20 am Eastern Standard Time, a 20.5 earthquake has struck the coast of Japan, making it the strongest, deadliest earthquake in history. All residents in a 900 miles must flee the country now. I repeat, flee the country. It is too late to flee. I repeat, it's too late to flee. A massive earthquake is now beginning to strike at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Run while you still can.
Sir, I think something is wrong.
What is wrong? Is it a Japanese 20.5 earthquake again? Seriously. Something is wrong when it occurs to it. Please stop asking me something is wrong.
But sir, it's serious, you know that, right?
I know. How are we supposed to help Japan? Do nothing?
Sir, I got the right answer. I need to help Japan by using my brain.
What the fuck are you supposed to use your brain for? Are you dumb? There is no way your brain can't help a 20.5 earthquake. I got a good idea. What if we help Japan by using our helps to the country? And try making the strongest stuff in the world.
Good idea, boss, but how are we gonna make that strongest stuff?
Oh, it's easy. All you have to do is... What the hell was that? It was an explosion coming from our area. Wait, is that ambush?
Oh crap, we are going to die.
The following message has been translated. Request of United States government. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Yellowstone volcano has erupted, causing by ambush and rush. Ambush is a ghost that has a speed at 100 miles per hour, making it a fastest being on the planet. Flee immediately.
The following message has been translated. Request of the United States government. The world is collapsing. I repeat, the world is collapsing. At 11:59 am Eastern Standard Time, depth, the Blue Doors entity, is on the loose, with incredible speed of 10,000 miles per hour. That is nothing we can do. Goodbye. Oh!